Friends, this is Taman and today we are going to go to a trip of India. India, it is the seventh largest country in the world and it is the second largest populated in the whole world. Today I am going to India. J- join with me so that we could learn something interesting. Do you know that I have just landed in New Delhi and I went to New Delhi. Do you know New Delhi is the capital of India. It has Red Fort. It is only made up of sandstone. And the Prime Minister hoists on August 15th in the Red Fort. And the President also hoists the flag on Republic Day, which is on Jan 26th. And afterwards, I went to Agra. What is famous in Agra? Yeah, it is the Qutub Minar and Taj Mahal. Do you know that Taj Mahal was built by a Mughal emperor called Shah Jahan? He is a Mughal ruler. Before the British ruled India, the Mughals only ruled this. He built in the memory of his wife. I think his wife would know that Shah Jahan has built such an amazing monument for his wife. Yeah, and afterwards I went to Punjab. What is this? You don't know, right? Yeah, it's looked like gold and that's why its name is known as Golden Temple. And it is in the city of Amritsar. Yeah, next I went to Kolkata. Do you know what are these? This is the Victoria Memorial. It is such amazing, right? Yeah, and do you know what this is? Yeah, I think you must know that is Rasgulla. It is very nice and I ate the first bite and I thought it was very delicious. And there is also one other delicious sweet, that is sandesh. Next, I went to Telangana. Do you know in Telangana there are many monuments? Do you know this is the Charminar? And many people visited that Charminar. And next is the Hussain Sagar Lake. And in the middle of the Hussain Sagar Lake, there is Buddha statue. Buddha statue. And next is Golconda Fort. It is very big in Golconda Fort. Fort is very big. And do you know what this is? Yeah, that is Salar Jung Museum. That is Salar Jung Museum. And beside that, it is Birla Planetarium. You must visit Birla Planetarium because there are many interesting things in the Birla Planetarium. And even beside that, there is Birla Mandir. Then next I went to Tamil Nadu. And in that Tamil Nadu, it has a big Marina Beach, which is the second largest in the world, and it is the biggest in India. And do you know, beside that it's like a rock? Yeah, it is a rock. That is the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. It is a small island near the coast called Vivekananda Rock. And I went back to home. But I missed on many things. For example, Kumbh Mela. But if you go to India, and afterwards you want to go to another country, you change your money and even keep a languages book, because there are in every city there is a new language to learn, and there are many delicious food items. And don't miss the Kumbh Mela. And do you know that in Kumbh Mela there are many people come that even it is visible from the space. Approximately about 3.5 million people come to the Kumbh Mela. Bye. Thank you.